What is going on, guys? Sam Tex here. Today I'm back with another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to download iSpoofer for Pokemon Go on your iPhone device. It works 100%, and to download the iSpoofer you don't need any computer or any jailbreak. It works 100%. If you want to know how to download iSpoofer Pokemon Go, stick around to the video. So guys, the first thing we have to do is you're gonna go to any browser and you're gonna search up appcake.com. The link will be in the description. Just go click the link and it automatically take you to this page. And after you're on this page, you're gonna scroll down a little bit and they just signed in today, and you can see the date, and just go and click install, and let's just wait a little bit and it will finish installing. Okay, you can see I have the app cake. Now all you're gonna do is just go and open it. It's a untrusted developer. If you want to trust the app, all you're gonna do is just go to your setting and you're gonna scroll down and you'll see general. You're gonna scroll down one more time and you'll see device management right here. Click that and you'll click the first one and trust it. If you don't trust the app's not going to work, and you have to do this if you want the app to work. Just go there and open the app cake and click allow. Okay, yes. And to do this, just go and follow them on Discord and go and download Discord and just follow them. Or if you don't want to, just click verify, click allow. Okay, now you're gonna go to your setting, just go back and you're gonna see profile download right here. Click that and install. Gonna enter your password and it finished the verification. Now all you're gonna do is just go to the tweaked app or the popular. It's just gonna pop up like this. Right here you'll see the iSpoofer for Pokemon Go, and all you're gonna do is you'll click install in the top right corner. Just click that.
I got caught robbing a house.
Guilty.
Oh no, I'm guilty. No, man.
That.
Alright, gotta make the best of being in prison. Yes.
There's just the ad so annoying. Just ignore the ad. Click X and click install right here, and it will start downloading the iSpoofer for Pokemon Go. Just wait later finished. Okay, that's in 11%. It doesn't take that long. But to download this app, you just have to have 150 megabyte free space on your iPhone device. Okay, it's almost done. Let's just wait like 30 seconds. By the way, if you're new, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. I'll post a lot of cool things like this, how to download stuff, like how to download Instagram Plus, how to download Spotify, how to get a Spotify Premium for free. Just go and hit the subscribe button and the like. Okay, it's almost done. And on this one, on this version of Pokemon Go, and you'll have the joystick too, like to go wherever you want. You don't even have to walk. It's so fun and easy. Okay, you can see it's almost done. Yeah, just let's do it like 5 seconds more. Okay, resigning the app. It says right, resigning the app. Let's just wait a little bit. Okay, just 5 more seconds more. Okay, now just click install right here. and you will finish installing. Just wait right here. It's installing. You can't see it. Let it finish. Let's just wait. Okay, it's almost done. You can see I have the Pokemon Go right there. Just click the Pokemon and it will open like this. Okay, wait, allow. And just enter your age like usual. Like this, just enter that and click submit. And okay, just click this and sign in. And you can see it working 100%. And this pretty much guys how you do guys. If this works for you, let me know in the comment section. If this helped you out, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, and peace.